Our next problem is obtain the transfer function of the block diagram shown below using block diagram reduction technique. Okay, this is the given problem. Okay, all of you note down. Yes, next see this one. Here there are two summing points. Okay, we can combine these two summing points by a single summing point. What we have to do is we are combining two summing points. Okay, so now what it becomes is normal as it is. Next, here we have only one summing point, and what about next is here we will have G2 okay, we will have only one summing point instead of two. So how to draw is here we will have G3 that has to be connected to this summing point. See the sign here also plus, here also, so directly we'll get plus sign. Okay, what is the sign? Plus. Okay, see this one, okay, here is a 1 point and here it is coming here. Okay, we have to use what is the sign? Plus and plus, so plus as it is. This one is H1. Okay, and all other thing we have to draw as it is. H2. This is our C of S, this is our R of S. Okay, here we are, instead of 2 we are combining these two summing points, so we make one summing point according to the sign. Here plus plus, so plus 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 plus. Okay, yes. Now you see here, by seeing this combination, how it is looking like. See, it is also going like this and this is also going like this, so means these two are in parallel combination. Okay, yes, see this combination. yes here it is moving and part of output is feeding back to this summing point, so it acts as which loop? Minor loop. So it acts as minor loop. If a combination is having parallel, means what we have to do? We have to add, so that is G1 plus G3. So we have to remove two components, we have to replace by only one component, that is parallel combination. If two components are in parallel combination, how we will do? Okay, same as it is. Here it is negative sign is there, two combination is there, means we have to replace by a single component, that is G1 plus, because it is plus, G1 plus G3. Okay, and if it is a minor loop having a plus sign, means how to write? G divided by 1 minus J, because it is of minus. Why we are taking minus sign? Because here it is plus sign. So what is that? In place of G we have to take this one, in place of H you have to take this one. What is G? G2 divided by 1 plus or minus? Minus, because here it is plus. So 1 minus G is what? G2 into H1. Okay, we have to keep as it is. This one is H2. Okay, this one is output C of S. Okay, now we are getting these two are in parallel combination, so G1 plus G3, This is of minor loop because some part of output is feeding back to input. So G2 divided by 1 minus G into H, G2 into H1. Here it is positive sign, so we have to take 1 minus G into H. Okay. Now see this one, how they are looking like. They are looking like series combination. If two components are in series combination, then how to do that one? We have to replace a single component, that is multiplication of these two gains. So multiplication G1 plus G3 into G2 divided by 1 minus G2 H1. We can replace by one single component and other we have to keep as it is. This one is minus, this one is H2, this one is C of S output, this one is R of S input. Okay, yes. By seeing this one, how it is looking like? How it is looking like? Okay. This is a one loop and part of output is feeding back to the input. So it acts as minor loop. So if minor loop is there, so how to write? That is G divided by 1 plus GH. Why we are taking it plus? Here it is minus, so we have to take 1 plus GH. So in place of G we have to put this one, and in place of H we have to put this one. Okay. G is G2 into G1 plus G3 divided by 1 minus G2 H1. This is G divided by 1 plus, what is G? G2 into G1 plus G3 divided by 1 minus G2 H1 into H2. This is our, this is C and this is R. Okay, R of S, C of S. G divided by 1 plus G into H. Okay, we will further simplify this one. We will make further simplification of this one. So that is transfer function is equal to C by R is equal to, what is that? G2 divided into G1 plus G3 divided by 1 minus G2 H1, which is equal to 1 plus G2 into G1 plus G3 divided by 1 minus G2 H1 into H2. Okay, simplify this one. G2 into G1 plus G2 multiply G2 G1 G2 G3, which is divided by 1 minus G2 H1 divided by, take LCM of this one, that is 1 minus G2 H1 plus G2 G1 plus G2 G3 into H2 whole divided by 1 minus G2 H1. Okay, both the side denominator will cancels. We will remain as G1 G2 plus G2 G3 divided by 1 minus G2 H1 plus G1 G2, multiply this H2 inside, H2 plus G2 G3 H2. This is our transfer function of given block diagram. Okay, G1 G2 G2 G3, 1 minus G2 H1, G1 G2 G3. Okay.